that I would give you as your Minister of Youth and as just someone who has a child who is your age. 1, turn off the mode on your phone that gives your whereabouts. For those of us who have Samsungs or Blues or iPhones, there is a mechanism on it which asks for location. Turn it off. Do not put where you are if you are making a post. You are not to do it. It compromises your security. Do not at home stand up in front of your car or your parents' car or someone else's car and show the license plate number. It compromises your security. Do not post, for those of us who have children, don't post the school that they go to. So oftentimes, yes, try and post pictures that are not in your uniform. Because if somebody is trying to find you, they will come to your school. And they will lay wait the journey at your school. Also, for those of you, sometimes change up your route. Right? Change up your route. If you take this taxi, tell the taxi man to drive you next way or next time. Or the same thing, delay 15 minutes on the bus, every once in a while. Or if your parents are driving you to school, change up the route. Sometimes go a little earlier, or maybe 10 minutes later. Also, don't post your moods or what you're thinking. So, mood, depressed. Mood, don't do it. People actually follow it and target you. Some of the own people in your own class as well do it, to see what they can get out of you. And people who want to abuse children and other youth follow your moods and how you respond to things, and they bully you. So try and be a little bit more responsible. Social media is not a compromise, neither is it a substitute from human interaction. So you might be feeling something and you're just afraid to tell your brethren or your sister, look, what you did to me yesterday was really unacceptable and I'd really like to talk about it and we'll work it out. Or you have a problem with your mother or your father. No. The go-to response now is to go on your Instagram and say, sticks and stones might break my bones, but words will never hurt me. Thinking that the person is actually going to realize that you're talking about them. No, don't do it. The other thing I would say to you is this. Don't let anybody bribe you with technology, because that also compromises your security. Anybody who can tell you that they can sell you a Samsung phone for $40,000 is thief them teeth it.